Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. Had to cover it. I think for obvious reasons, Solana has hit that $200 mark. Yesterday we were able to break above that level right here. We were talking about on Wednesday at 188, 186. Broke above that, but you can also see that we just since the election we gained a ton of momentum. All right. And last time we covered this. I mean, Solana at the moment, I think it's quite clear why Solana is this bullish. It's a mix of factors, of course, but if you take a look at the fundamentals for Solana, it's doing great. TVL, except for the spike October 27th, is going towards new all-time highs. DEX trading volumes are great, so fundamentally the Solana network is absolutely doing amazing. And then at the same point of time, the Trump win is obviously bullish for crypto, but there definitely are certain projects that benefit more from a Trump win than other projects. And I think Solana, with the Solana ETF rumors, which I still think will, by the way, come up much more often over the next year. That's almost a guarantee. Solana is certainly one of the altcoins, especially also given how well it's performing right now fundamentally. Solana is definitely one of the altcoins that stands to gain the most with a Trump presidency. And I think that's one of the reasons why we are this bullish right now. Obviously, there's other factors influencing it as well. But no, very bullish right now. We hit that $200 level, so congratulations everybody that's in. It's very bullish right now. See, the big question is, and that's also why I want to zoom out a bit here. We're now at the levels we hit in March, all right? So the levels right here, I would say around 205. So the big question is not, are we bullish or not? Because everybody, like all of you will say Solana at the moment is bullish, right? I think we can agree on that. On that. The big question is, well, will we actually break out higher? All right, we're at that level. We're at that level right here, around 210. If you historically look back, I would say the main level is right here between 220, roughly, and 200. The big question is will we break above that? And I think the answer is yes. I do think we will break above that in the next couple of months. Do I think we will break above that on the short term, though, aka today, tomorrow, in the weekend? No. All right, and the main reason for that is that I given the fundamentals and also given the technical situation for Solana, I think it's unlikely that we will not break out higher. All right, I think Solana is worth more in the long run. But on the short term, we also have to kind of think about Bitcoin, the markets. Bitcoin is losing some volume. Bitcoin still has very high leverage open right now. And the same can very much be said for Solana. If you look at the leverage right here, if you look at the open interest, it is ridiculously high, which is, I think, also confirmed if we look at the funding rates. Funding rates have increased quite a bit. So what that basically means is that you pay more to have your longs open. At least over the course of yesterday morning, that was relatively high. And then, like I said, with all this leverage going into the weekend, it is, in my eyes, very likely that we will see some de-risking, aka positions being closed off. Most of these positions right now are long positions. So that, in combination with Bitcoin losing some momentum, in combination with us hitting a very strong resistance level, because that's not something we should forget. Technically, this is still a very strong resistance level as well, right? So given that, I would say it is most likely that we will continue on the short term, right? So that we will get into 210, 215, maybe even 220. But I do think from there we will pull back, all right? And then after that pullback, I'll be back again, and then we'll talk about whether we can actually break out later, somewhere next week, for example. But for now, I would say, well, something like this is what I think is most likely on the short term. And I'll keep you updated on that. So for now, thank you for watching. Hopefully it was valuable for you, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye.